natural hairline with 13 by 6 frontal part. The stock right here, and the style is Zendaya and the color is peach pink. And yeah, she's pre-plucked, pre-customized natural hairline. Of course, comes with over here is standard 13 by 6, all that. I would say it could be plucked a little bit more. I probably would go in and pluck it a bit more because I don't like how harsh the hairline looks or how thick it looks. I like that it's 13 by 6. You get a lot of parting space with this wig. You can do a lot of styles. It's very customizable and everything. I do like the color. It's different, especially for Jenna collection. It's different. I wouldn't necessarily say it's like a peach pink. I was thinking it was like a strawberry blonde, but hey, I digress. Zoom in. I kind of messed up my makeup in the process, but the lace is okay. I don't know if it says that it's HD lace. Let me see. It doesn't necessarily say. Well, it does say transparent lace. So on the inside of the stock card, it has it in depth. So it has transparent lace, 13 by 6, of course. You know, we already went through that. And it says it has soft Swiss lace for that meltdown. Yes and no. Like, I tried to blend in. I feel like on camera you can't really tell it. In person I can tell, and it kind of bothers me. I don't know, it's not bad though. Just needs some tweaking, like customizing this unit a little bit more. I like the length of it. It's not that long, which is really good. It doesn't specify how long she is, but she comes to like here, so I would assume she's around that 20 mark. So yeah, she is heat resistant, so that's good. I like the body of it. I feel like this would get matted though after a while. Yeah, because I'm just looking at the ends. I didn't even really play with the hair. I feel like it kind of is going to get matted in the future. Playing with it too much. So yeah, I probably will go in and probably put some curls in this unit or just straighten her all together. She's cute though. Like I said, I like the length. The hair is pretty soft, pretty good. I like the color. It's super cute. It's different, especially for Jenna collection, because they don't really come up with that many colorful units, let alone a lot of units anyway. So that's good. It's big head friendly for sure, because I got a small head and she really fits my head. So for the big head girlies, this is for you, just not for me. Definitely like the color though. Me personally, I would have to go in and tweak her a little bit more, because this is not no wig I would necessarily throw on and just wear right out the box. I will definitely customize her before I even try to put her on again. So later in the future, yeah. She does shed quite a bit, but considering the color, it's basically blonde with pink on top, she's going to shed, so that's a given. I say this in every video, but it's good to know that with color units, they're going to shed a little bit more than say like black or something. So yeah, but considering she's not too long, that's good. You shouldn't experience too much. I didn't get any tangle, which is good. I just gotten a lot of shedding. So yeah, with that being said though, y'all, it's an okay unit in my book. Like, I had high hopes, but on my head I don't really care for it. Like I said, I probably will have to go in and just customize her in the future next time I wear her, before I try to, you know, I don't know. But yeah, if you guys like to purchase this wig, make sure you click the link down below in the description box, and all the details like the color and stuff will be down there below too. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.